See all these I've done already? All these clips out of those other pieces that I had used initially, and I cut them up, and now I can use them for little smaller clips. I'm using a scratchawl here, and there's a difference between scratchawls. Did you know that? Not all scratchawls are the same. See that? That's metal. That's a continuous metal piece that goes all the way through here. Some scratchawls don't have that. If you see just a wood head, obviously those are cheaper, and you might think, oh, what's the difference? Well, the first time I got a scratchawl, I got the one without this metal right here, and it was just a wood head, and after a while of tapping on it, it cracked and it fell apart, and it didn't last me as long as this one. This one happens to be a Stanley. You can see it right there, but you don't have to get Stanley, you don't have to find Stanley, but this one's been a really good one for me. This tip has been sharp pretty much since day one, and I could sharpen that up with a stone or something, or a belt sander, and just kind of hold it at an angle and make the tip a lot sharper. It's not as sharp as it used to be, but it still does the trick. Okay, so when you go to the store to get a scratchawl, and I use this thing for all kinds of things, I never know what I'm going to need it for. Spend a few extra dollars and get the good one. You won't regret it. There's your tip for the day.